Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do the new Lobster update, full guide. Start by backing up your profile and ensuring you have 2 GB free storage. Next, confirm connection stability and close unnecessary apps to prevent interruptions. Download via the official launcher and follow on-screen prompts carefully. After installation, review new settings, test mechanics in a safe zone, and note any odd behavior to report. First, download the update from the official launcher and do not interrupt the process. When prompted, install required components and accept any configuration changes relevant to your device. If an installer offers optional assets, choose what fits your storage and performance needs. After installation, restart your system and launch the game in safe mode to check core functions and controls before returning to normal play. If the update fails, clear cache and temporary files, then retry the installer. Use the launcher's Verify or Repair feature to identify and replace corrupted files automatically. For persistent errors, note exact error codes, take screenshots, and gather logs to include with your bug report. Try reinstalling only the affected modules instead of the full client when possible to save time and bandwidth, and test changes in a private session first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.